Money, it's something we use every day, but have you ever stopped to think about what it actually is? Why do we work so hard to earn it? And most importantly, how should we use it? Let's dive into these questions today. Welcome to Cipher Wealth, where we break down financial concepts in a simple and practical way. At its core, money is a medium of exchange. Before money existed, people used the barter system, trading goods and services directly. But bartering had limitations, so money was created as a universal measure of value. Over time, money has evolved from gold coins to paper bills to digital transactions. But no matter its form, money serves three key functions: a medium of exchange, a store of value, and a unit of account. So why do we all want to earn money? Simply put, money provides security, freedom, and opportunity. It helps us meet our basic needs, like food, shelter, and clothing. But beyond survival, money gives us choices. The more you have, the more control you have over your life. Now, what do we use money for? We can break it down into four major categories: necessities, lifestyle choices, savings, and investments. First, necessities. This is the money you need for day-to-day survival. Rent, food, transportation, and medical expenses fall under this category. Next, lifestyle choices. This is where money allows us to enjoy life. Travel, entertainment, hobbies, and dining out all fall here. But be careful. Overspending in this area can lead to financial trouble. Then there's savings and investments, arguably the most important category. Savings ensure you have a safety net for emergencies, while investments help grow your wealth over time through interest, stocks, real estate, and businesses. Lastly, money allows us to give back. Whether it's helping family, donating to charity, or supporting a cause, financial stability allows us to make a difference in the world. At the end of the day, money is just a tool. It's not about how much you have, it's about how you use it. So manage it wisely, spend it purposefully, and let it help you create the life you truly want. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Cipher Wealth for more financial insights.